The Amtico Training Academy is a specialised facility established to provide comprehensive training and development for flooring professionals, including fitters and retailers. The primary objective of the Amtico Training Academy is to ensure that flooring professionals can install Amtico products to the highest standards. By offering expert-led courses, the Academy aims to enhance the skills and knowledge of participants, enabling them to deliver high-quality installations that meet customer expectations and ensure the longevity of the flooring.
I've got a couple of fitters coming on a course next week, which is the advanced one. No problems with making sure that they did that. It was worth it.
And I just wanted to take my floor fitting knowledge to just a different level. It's a great course, great instructors, and it will just help us improve as a fitter.
I didn't know what to expect. I'd definitely recommend it. So there you go.
The Academy is located at Coventry, providing state-of-the-art facilities for hands-on training. The Academy's courses are tailored for a range of professionals, from new and experienced floor fitters or retail professionals that can benefit from understanding the installation process, product features and customer service aspects to better assist clients. Courses are run by highly experienced Amtico staff who understand the product inside and out. Trainees build relationships with Amtico teams, making it easier to get help or advice on complex projects later on. Amtico's training remains up to date through a combination of manufacturer-led innovation, practitioner feedback and ongoing curriculum development, so attendees always learn the most modern and effective techniques for installing Amtico flooring. To learn more about Amtico Training Academy and the courses on offer, visit the Amtico website or get in touch with one of the team.